And that's it for Jamaica Magazine today. Be sure to tune in again tomorrow. Share your feedback with us by emailing jamaicamagazine@gis.gov.jm.
Good day, I'm Stacey Ann Smith, and this is your GIS News for Tuesday, June 11. Government's decision to open the renewable energy sector to private investors is working, based on the large number of proposals received by the Office of Utilities Regulation. That update came from the Minister of Science, Technology, Energy and Mining, Philip Paulwell. He was speaking last Thursday at the Energy Entrepreneurship for National Economic Growth Forum held in Montego Bay. Minister Paulwell said on June 3, the OUR received 20 submissions, comprising 28 proposals to supply 115 megawatts of energy generated from renewable sources.
When you add up the proposal, they covered 800 megawatts of capacity. We only want 115. I don't know what we're going to do now. But it's a good sign. It shows that the policy is working. It shows that people are responding. And I want to commend those, I gather that 8 Jamaican companies submitted bids. That's what we want to see. That's what we want to see. That's what we want to encourage.
The Science and Technology Ministry is positioning Jamaica to increase its presence in the global animation industry. The ministry is collaborating with the World Bank to host a 2-day animation festival titled Kingstoon on June 20 and 21. State Minister Julian Robinson says the aim is to provide local animators with the opportunity to showcase their innovations and make international links.
We want to position Jamaica as a player, one as in the global outsourcing market for animation, but also importantly to produce animation products and solutions for our own market.
The plan involves having local animators contribute to content that will be loaded onto the tablets destined for schools across the country. The deadline for persons interested in participating in the Animation Festival is June 16. Entry forms can be downloaded from the Facebook site and should be completed and submitted to info@kingstoonfest.com. The event, which is themed Animating Jamaica's Creativity, will be held at the University of the West Indies Mona Visitors Lodge. Government is moving full speed ahead with its plans to make Jamaica a leading logistics hub with the purchase of property to facilitate the training of workers for the hub. The 3.5-acre facility, formerly owned by the Urban Development Corporation, is located at 22 to 26 Victoria Avenue in downtown Kingston. Information Minister Senator Sandria Faulkner says it was purchased by the Overseas Examination Commission and the Heart Trust NTA for $104.5 million.
The property, which is unoccupied, will provide a collaborative multipurpose training center to house the Heart Trust NTA's Workforce College. It will also house workforce training facilities for the logistics hub. It will also house data processing operations for the Overseas Examinations Commission.
The purchase also fits into government's plans to revitalize the downtown Kingston area and stimulate economic growth. The local government ministry is exploring options to make it easier for community-based organizations to register and conduct business.
So we're going to have words with the registrar of companies to see how we can, in the whole reorganization of doing business, to facilitate not only commercial business but also social organizations at the community level that requires this kind of registration, and to facilitate opening of bank accounts and so on and so forth.
Minister Arscott was speaking at the recent handing over ceremony for the Social Development Commission's Governance Capacity Grant Fund. 12 community development organizations were given grants of $100,000 each to develop initiatives to strengthen their relationship with the communities they represent. And finally, Jamaica's long-standing relationship with China was further strengthened when Prime Minister Portia Simpson Miller met with the Chinese president in Trinidad and Tobago recently. Information Minister Senator Sandria Faulkner says the friendly and productive bilateral talks were a precursor to Mrs. Simpson Miller's official visit to China later this year.
The President has also expressed appreciation for Jamaica's continued support of the One China policy and reaffirmed that Jamaica is an important partner for China's cooperation in the region. Prime Minister Simpson Miller reaffirmed that Jamaica highly values the strong bonds of friendship that have been developed between both countries.
Mrs. Simpson Miller led an official delegation to the Twin Island Republic, which included the Ministers of Foreign Affairs and Industry, Investment and Commerce. And that's it for GIS News today. I'm Stacey Ann Smith. Thank you for watching.